Overheating air brakes in trucks can be a serious hazard. In this video, we'll explain why overheating can occur and how to avoid this problem. Air brakes are essential for trucks, but they can overheat if not properly maintained and operated. Overheating air brakes can impair your ability to stop the truck, leading to accidents and costly repairs. Several factors can cause air brake overheating, including insufficient airflow, overuse of brakes, and worn or damaged brake components. Let's take a closer look at each of these factors. Insufficient airflow can occur when vents or passages that allow air to circulate around the brakes become blocked or obstructed. Overuse of brakes, such as riding the brakes on long descents, can generate excessive heat and lead to overheating. Worn or damaged brake components, such as worn brake linings or damaged brake drums, can also contribute to overheating. Overheating air brakes can have several negative consequences. Overheating can reduce the effectiveness of your brakes, making it more difficult to stop the truck. Overheated air brakes can increase the risk of accidents, such as rear-end collisions, jackknifing, and rollover accidents. Overheating can damage brake components, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to avoid overheating your air brakes. Get your brakes routinely inspected. Ensure proper airflow to the brakes by regularly cleaning and inspecting vents and passages. Avoid riding the brakes, especially on long descents. Regularly inspect and replace brake components, such as brake linings and drums, according to the manufacturer's recommendations. By following these tips, you can avoid overheating your air brakes and keep yourself and others safe on the road. Preventive measures are essential when it comes to maintaining your truck's air brakes. Stay safe on the road by ensuring your air brakes are in top condition. And remember, to stay updated on the latest industry insights and best practices, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.